After you were approached, how did it go?
Well, you know, the funny thing is that Monica, whenever she began to realize what this product was doing for her, she became a natural evangelist for it. And she said, if I'm going to talk with people about it, I might as well get paid for it. And we both thought, you know what, that makes perfect sense. And so Monica took it on as a business, and she worked at it in her spare time, or the time that she wanted to give to it in between taking care of our 3 boys. And eventually we began to see how big the opportunity was, that we really began starting to talk about at night the opportunity for me to be able to step away from corporate America and all the pressure that I was under, especially as the economy came down, the pressure, the travel, all of the demands that were being made. I was working twice as hard and earning about 30% less.
And we had just watched the toll that corporate America was taking on John's life. You know, I had the luxury of staying home with our boys, and I remember about midway through our time with Max, telling John that I wanted to give him the freedom that he had given me to stay home with our boys. And so many days he would lay his head on the pillow and say, I don't know how much longer I can do this. And it was very interesting. In fact, in April, we won a trip to Cancun with Max for just an incentive trip. And on that trip, we began scheming. What can we do to be able to pursue this full time? And the next day, John got home and got a call that his job had been eliminated.
My goodness.
And a day that would have otherwise been doom and gloom for most people, for us was really a day of excitement, because it meant that we could start this new adventure that we had been so much wanting to pursue. And it has just been a phenomenal ride.
So those people that are watching, that are skeptical or worried about being involved, what would you say to them? I mean, here you are in corporate America, which is pretty tried and true and predictable, jumping into network marketing.
Yeah. Well, first of all, I would say that if you're taking a look at this opportunity, you really need to dig down deep and dig fast, because this is an amazing business opportunity. It's an incredible product, and if that's all you're interested in, then the product will very likely change your life like it has for us. But there's an amazing business opportunity because the product is so wonderful, and it almost sells itself. When people try it, they want to get involved, they want to tell people about it. And what I will tell you is that there's a lot of ways to get to the end of your rainbow. What we've found, though, is that Max offers a bigger pot of gold than we ever dreamed possible. And the distance across the rainbow, at least today, is a lot shorter than it is for any of the other options that were offered to us.
I really like that analogy of a rainbow, because often people don't believe that the pot of gold is really there.
And you know, this thing has already exceeded some of our wildest dreams. And right now, I'm glad to say I haven't contacted a recruiter. I haven't updated my resume. We're doing Max full time because it's growing so fast for us. And what it's doing for our friends and our family, the gratification that we get for that, and the opportunity now that we have to be in control of our own home-based business and the liberty that gives us, wow, it's just, it's amazing. We're having more fun than we've ever had.
How's it feel to be home with 3 busy boys?
You know, it's great. As a matter of fact, it's so much fun that Monica and I, we decided, since we've got an organization of, I think, 500 people, and they're all working every day, why don't we just take an extra day off? So usually on a Wednesday or a Friday, we'll just take an extra day off to spend with our kids. And that is a true luxury.
Is there anything else you want to say before we close up to people that are interested but are a little skeptical or nervous about joining?
I guess what we would say is, at bare minimum, you need to try this product. I think when people try the product, what they find is that they, like myself, become natural evangelists, and you just want to share it with people that you care about. And the reality is that there are really 2 huge needs here. There's a need for better health, but there's also a need for hope. And in this economy, the news is so depressing every day, and it's just wonderful to have something to hope for. And what's been equally as exciting for us is all the people that have joined along with us on this ride. Even today I had someone crying on my shoulder talking about just how wonderful it was to have finally found what she was called to do. And so what I would say is, maybe it's not the thing you thought you wanted to do, but there's probably somebody that you know that needs this even more than you do. So it's definitely an exciting business to get involved in.
And I would just say that we are complete rookies. We've never done this before. We had no idea what we were doing. One of the really great things about this company is, as I was saying, the spirit of this company is really to help others succeed. That's the only way that you can get what you want. And we've been mentored and been taken under the wing of so many people who are further ahead than us and have really showed us how to be successful. So what I would say is that if you're scared about taking a stab at an opportunity like this, maybe you've never done it before, like we'd never done it before, or maybe you've done it 3 or 4 times and it's never panned out, I'll tell you there's something unique and special about being with Max.
Thank you so much.
You
Thank
bet.
you.